If your internet feels slow on Windows 11, these simple changes can instantly speed it up. First, we will reinstall the network adapters drivers. To do that, right-click the Start menu button in the taskbar and select Device Manager. Now expand the network adapters entry, right-click on the active adapter and select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers and then on Let me pick from a list of available drivers. With the Show Compatible Hardware checkbox ticked, select another driver from the list and click on Next. For many, installing the Microsoft driver version did the trick, so try that as well. In some cases, Windows incorrectly handles power management for the network adapter, which may be the reason behind slow internet speeds. To fix that, open the Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click on the active adapter, and select Properties. In here, you should see a Power Management tab. If you do, go into it and untick the checkbox for Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. The tab isn't there on my system, perhaps because my adapter doesn't allow reconfiguring this, but it might be available on yours, so do check it once. While you are using the system, it might quietly be uploading Windows Update files to other PCs on the network or the internet. It's a built-in feature called Delivery Optimization, and it's enabled by default. To disable it, press Windows plus I to open Settings, go to Windows Update, then click on Advanced Options and select Delivery Optimization. In here, disable the Delivery Optimization option and see if the internet speed improves. If you have a dual-band router, that is, one with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, your computer may default to the 2.4 GHz band, which is slower. To fix that and prioritize the 5 GHz band, you will need to adjust the network adapter's settings. So, open the Device Manager, then into Network Adapters, and open the active adapter's properties. In here, go into the Advanced tab, select Preferred Band, and pick the 5 GHz band entry from the drop-down menu. Once done, save the changes and check for improvements in internet speed. Open the search menu, type Command Prompt, and click on Run as administrator. In here, paste this command and hit Enter to check whether auto-tuning level is enabled. If it says disabled, run this command to turn it on. It should ultimately read Normal. Once done, restart your Windows 11 system and check whether the internet speed improves. We will now reset the network settings. To do that, open up the System Settings, go to Network and Internet, then click on Advanced Network Settings and select Network Reset. In here, click the Reset Now button and then confirm the change. Then, open the search menu, type Command Prompt, and click on Run as administrator. In here, paste these two commands individually and hit Enter after each to reset the TCP/IP stack and the Windows socket catalog to their default. Once done, restart your Windows 11 PC and check for improvements. Your router's placement can make a big difference. If it's tucked in a corner, behind walls, or far from your device, the internet speed will drop. Try keeping your router in a central, open spot, ideally in the same room or just one wall away from the PC for best performance. Also, don't ignore your router settings. Things like channel selection and bandwidth can affect speed. These vary by router, so it's best to follow a quick online guide for your specific model. A small tweak here can make your internet feel way faster. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.